Alright, hello. I'm going to do a quick and easy walkthrough of how to use Google Docs. As you can see, I've pulled up my Google Chrome browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is click the waffle over here in the corner, and you can scroll down through your Google tools and find more, and then click Docs. This is a super easy way to pull up Google Docs, and it's going to give you options to choose between any of these templates or to create a new blank document, or you have the option to access some recently accessed documents. So I'm going to start a new blank document. Alright, and now that you're able to begin typing, you can edit your font, set it to be whatever kind of bold or font or size or centered or bulleted, whatever it is that you're working on. You can do all that here just like in a regular Word program. But the first thing I'm going to do is title my document. So you just click where it says Untitled Document, and I'm going to name this Sample Document 1. And that is how I'll be able to find it easily in just a little bit and recognize it, and you'll see. Okay, so if you look in the top right corner, you see the gray circle with an A. That's because I'm using this current email. This is my personal email, and I'm going to toggle between two of my emails to show you how it looks as the creator of the document and as the second person or third or fourth person would have access to it as well. So first I'm going to create my document, and I'm just going to type in some simple sentences like, this document is being created as an example. Alright, so the child or the student or the teacher is working on this document, a project or a paper or whatever, and they're typing and they're finished, or they're collaborating with a group, or they're asking the teacher's comments, or they just want to share it with somebody. So you have so many different options here. You can go click this blue share button. Right now it's private and only I can see this document, but if we click the blue share button, you can easily share it to multiple people. So you can share it through a link. This right here gives you a link that you can copy and paste, and you can send it in emails, you can send it in text messages, Facebook message, just all kinds of different ways. Even if you wanted to share it to Facebook or to Twitter, you could share the actual document that you've been working on for anybody that has access to the link. Okay, so right here, if you're sharing it as a link, anyone with the link can view it, can edit it, or can comment. If you're posting publicly, I would leave it as can view. If you're posting to a group that you're collaborating with, have them comment on it. If you're posting as a group project where everybody's input is needed and everyone is allowed to make adjustments and edit the program or edit the document, edit the project, then I would allow them to edit. But we're going to stick with view for the link. I'm not going to share the link. I'm going to share this a much easier way. So right here it says people, and there's a box. So you can type in names or email addresses. I'm going to type in my email, and here it is. Now I want this person or these people to be allowed to edit. So you can have them comment or you can have them view, but I want them to be able to edit. So we're going to pretend that the Hummingbird Shop is a student, and I am sharing this document as another student with them to collaborate on this project so we can complete this group project. So I want to allow them to edit with me. I don't want to be the only one doing the work. So then you click the blue button that says send. There, shared with one person right here up at the top. So now I can go to the other student, can go to their email, and they will find an email saying sample document 1 aspen.f.miller@gmail.com has invited you to edit the following document. All they got to do is click Open in Docs. And because I'm logged in on the same browser, on the same computer, it's going to look funny for just a second. Let me switch to my other email on this page so you'll see how they collaborate with the two different people. So I'm able to just easily switch to my other email, and this would be as if the second student is looking at it. All right, so the first tab I have open is the creator of the document. So this is student 1. So I'm going to type, this is from student 1. Now, if I go back to student 2 and what they're going to see on their end, the file is going to automatically update. It will automatically update. And there it is. This is from student 1. And also, you can see up here where it is showing that somebody's actively working in it. And you can even chat with those people. So if there's a group of students that are working on this project, you can say, hey, I really like what you said in paragraph 2. Would you mind helping me with the closing paragraph? All right. We go back to what student 1 is seeing, and there's a message. He or she opens the message, and there it is. So student 2 is asking for help on writing the closing paragraph, and they're able to collaborate through the chat box that's available. Okay, another awesome feature is, let's change it up a little bit, and let's say that student 1 is now the teacher, and let's make student 2 just a regular student. So if this is the teacher viewing this, they can click where it says all changes saved in Drive, and they can see who has put information in. So if a teacher was looking at this and it's color coded by this student's name, and they see that it's all that student's color, they know that the other partner or the other group members did not interact, did not put any work in, and they did not participate. So just by glancing at it, and if it's all one color or if it's all mostly one color and there's only a sentence of another color, then you can easily tell which students participated. So let me go back. And as the other student, I'm going to add in, this sentence is from student 2. There will be a quiz at the end. Just kidding. All right. So it's going to auto update. The information has shown up, and it even has the student's name next to it if you wanted to see where they ended and what they just added. Again, click all changes saved in Drive, and there you go. It is color coded between the two people that are working on the document. It's super easy. It's super easy to see who has been doing the most work or who's been doing work at all. All right. Let's see. So that is one of my favorite features with Google Docs, because if you're doing group projects with upper level students, you can definitely use this to your advantage to easily determine who the student is in the group that's not putting in any effort. And you can make corrections on that very quickly. All right, thank you for watching my tutorial.